on YouTube as well as on TikTok. Okay, let's see who is online. Hello everyone. Hello Basil. Hello iCool. How is everyone doing today? How is the market treating you? Are you guys happy or sad? Oh, it sounds like Peaky Blinder now. Has anyone watched that show? Do you guys like it? I mean, we are going to talk about crypto, not about Peaky Blinder. I'm just asking. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Shah. She said, okay, it's good to see you. I always see you. Andrew Willis joined. Okay, who else is there? What the hell is going on? Myanmar says, what happened, Myanmar? Can you elaborate? Are you angry about the market correction? Zach Pot says, Salam bro, what's good? All is good. Everything is good. Things are going nice. Pretty much a lot of crypto that I had shared yesterday, they have achieved their targets, including, what's its name? What's this thing name? Including Ethereum, which is a slow mover like Cardano, but it did achieve the targets up to 1850 that I had for it. So it went to 1865. So all good, all good. Okay, let's see what you guys have to say. I see one person is in YouTube, maybe all alone. I don't know. You will know. I will try to look at both places at the same time. Okay. Do you think BTC will go back to 28K? Yes, of course, one day it has to. But it is right now in the phase of correction, which means that BTC can correct and it should correct. It cannot just go up like this. You need to correct. But my expectations are that it will hold $32,000. It's if it breaks, the next and the last support for this rally is at 29,500. If 29,500 breaks, that will pretty much indicate that this rally is over. Then after that, even if BTC gives you a hope, it will be fake. Okay, I think I saw someone commenting. Hola. Okay, this is from YouTube. No CMH. That is, what does your name mean? If you could elaborate. Okay, Luki Cities says hi. Hi. Dale says BTC price prediction. Okay, price prediction is simple. As long as BTC holds $32,000, you can expect it to continue its rally towards $40,000. Of course, it is in the phase of correction, which means that BTC's movement is more likely towards 32 than towards 40. I did share that yesterday as well. It needs a breather. It needs a bit of room to breathe. It pumped a lot. It tried $35,000 for the second time, and that was good enough. I mean, now it needs to correct a bit in order to start the rally again. So that is pretty much what will happen with BTC. Carlos says, hi, Shah. Hi, Carlos. Okay, anything on YouTube? Nothing. Hello, what is your opinion about trading bots in Binance? They're good if you know what you are doing, which means that if you don't know what you're doing, stay away from it. Trading bots are the easiest form of losing money. Another way to lose money is copy trading. Copying other traders is another best way of losing. I have someone in my Telegram community. He was copy trading someone, and that person was not using stop loss. That person lost the trade, and the person who was copying, he lost it as well. I got scared that this is not on because then YouTubers cannot hear me. Anyway, it is on. So yeah, he lost it all. I mean, who are you copying? You don't know what kind of life they have, what kind of wife they have, what kind of husband they have. If they have a fight and they have a messed up day, it's going to reflect into their trade, because for them trading is like a job, because people are copying them, so it's a job. For people like me, I can take I can take time off because I'm trading for myself. I'm doing it for me. So it would be really different than people who are copy trading, because if they have a fight, they will do a messed up trade and you will lose it all. I've used this example before, not to drag my friend into it. He was going through rough time with his wife. He was at job. He took a position of $250,000 and he got liquidated. He lost $250,000 while being in the job, and he had a bad day. And he's a guy who has a community of his own. So he comes from a bit of background. So it's not that he's someone who woke up one day and decided to trade. Atom says, love your videos. Thank you so much. I'm happy to hear that. Raja says, can you predict about Harvest Farm? If Harvest Farm is a coin, I don't know. If you're talking about harvesting, farming, I do come from farmer's background. Then you have to identify the crop. BTC price prediction, that is done. Hi Shah, thoughts on BTC? Okay, that is done. OGN, we can do OGN for you definitely. Just a second. OGN. Okay, we can do OGN for you. Time to pick up any alts. Of course, when there is a correction and things are moving towards this support is the time when you pick up. Actually, I have been sharing lower supports in the past videos. It would have been better. Or when you see that the resistance is broken, that is the time to enter. So the whole point is, to look at the resistance and support. That gives you a trigger. So if resistance breaks, it means that it is time for you to enter for things to go up. If support breaks, it means that is the time of confirmation that things are going to go down. If you don't, then afterwards we can identify. Thank you, Raja. Afterward, what happens is that you see where the support is. Like for Ethereum, 1650 was a support. Ethereum being extremely slow mover, getting into a trade for Ethereum wouldn't be difficult. From 1650 to 1850, that is a $200 journey, right? And $200 on a 1650, that's a 12% move on spot, not on long. On long, on a long of a 20, that is 240%. I mean, still really good. But yeah, yesterday was really nice day for us. Something strange happened. I don't know. It was just, it was really funny. So what happened is that I shared along on AGLD. I don't know if you guys have seen this one. This is the ticker of it, AGLD. And this thing started pumping like crazy. Let me tell you what happened, okay? Where the hell did it go? Unify, AGLD. I did share that. This is Unify. It started pumping fast as well, but there was another one. Oh, here it is. So at 3:44 p.m. I shared that, okay, and at 4:11 p.m. So that's like 15 and 11, 15 and 21, 26. So 26 minutes later, it was an 71% profit. I mean, it happens to be in shitcoins, but it doesn't happen to me in altcoins. So I was looking at it and I was laughing. That and this was for a pump, not even for the drop, but that was really, really funny. I looked at it, and of course, it pumped towards 159%. That was a really nice one. Everything else was good. Yesterday, we had so many positions. Yesterday was a good day. Today, we will be turning around. Okay, so this is OGN as requested. So OGN is forming a triangle. Okay, this is how it looks like. You see this thing? Generally, these triangles, they break out, not instead of breaking down. And what happens is that you can take position once it gets close to this. space, closer to its support, and the support is at 0.10, 107 if you want 3 digits for it. As long as the support holds, which should be the case scenario considering it's a rally, you can expect OGN to go up. Right now it is stuck in this triangle, and of course it is creating wicks, but it is not able to break out of it. If you're looking for a resistance, that is at 0.124. So that is OGN for you. Best coin to invest in, go to my library of educational videos. That is my cat making sounds. I'm sorry for that. You guys can see it. Those who are on TikTok, he's eating, but YouTubers, you cannot see it because you're horizontal. So what was I saying? Yeah, best coin to invest. Go to the education section and you will see videos there. You will see what to invest in. Trick says, hello Shah, hi, good to see you. What about alt season? This is pretty much what you will get, what you are seeing right now. This is the alt season for you. You cannot expect anything further than this. Dale says, thank you, no problem. Squirrel says, I feel a crash coming. I feel it in my bones. Nice, nice. I love these feelings in the bones, in the gut. Where else we have feelings? Yeah, but these two are really nice. Ruse gave me a GG. Thank you. Okay, I forgot what GG is. Thank you, Ru. But I do remember your name. It's Paul. Okay, you were talking about crash coming. Let me check something. I'm waiting for a head and shoulder pattern on BTC. I have forgotten what time frame it was. Let me just check. I'll tell you when the crash is there. Just give me a minute. I opened BTC in the wrong one. Just a second. Okay, now we can see BTC on a weekly, so it's not a weekly. Then what the hell is it? I did see head and shoulder pattern. Basically, that is a bearish pattern. What happens is that for the next shoulder, it needs to go up and then it starts going down. If that is the case scenario, I want to see if there is one. Okay, it's not on weekly for this one. It was in the past, which was beautiful. No one saw it coming, of course. Okay, let me see if I could see it on daily. Nope. I'll try to find it. I think I did see it. I just don't remember. Anyway, I was going to use the F word. Okay, Harvest Farm. I'll put the name there if you can see it. If you can find Harvest Farm. I assume this is a coin. Harvest Farm. Seriously, you know who this is? Me, text me on WhatsApp right away when you're done. Thank you, Tulip. Mianmi, it is not me, definitely. I don't DM people, I don't follow people, and I don't have another account on TikTok. Which crypto buy for long term? Go to the education section so you don't ask this question, because this is how you lose money. ADA best price prediction 2025. 2025, I always say I'm expecting a crash in the market. I'm expecting a financial crisis. So price prediction would be lower than what you're seeing right now if financial crisis happen. Where is the link going? That is the question by X Willem. Link is going nowhere. I gave it a target of 11.8 or $12. I forgot the price. I think let's say $12. So I said once it breaks above $12, we will see 18. It did break above 9.5, my first target. So Link turned bullish and started pumping. That was good. That was Link. But right now, if it holds 9.5, I don't know where Link is sitting right now. Let me see Link. If Link doesn't hold $9.5, that means that it is going to get awful. Okay, so let me check Link for you. Link USDT. So Link, it did 11.78 for the love of God. My target must have been 11.8. Market does this to me. Okay, and after that, it started dumping towards 10.49. It is a drop of 5%, but it is still staying above $9.5. As long as it's staying above 9.5, you have hopes for Link. You have hopes that Link will go back towards 11.8 or $12. I don't know what did I say that in that video. I have only posted one video on Link. I don't do Link, but I did it because I saw it coming out of this 1 year structure, which was not the case with other crypto, but this one was. Other people had random movements at least to keep you excited. But right now it is staying above that structure. There is still hope. You can still expect Link to continue with the pump. 5 best coins to invest. Ignore all the coins that people tell you to invest in. RS says, hello, long time no see. This is something I should have said, RS. Long time no see. You were always here and then you disappeared. Did you just go and enjoy the bull market? As people say, it's not bull market. I mean, it is overall bull market, but you know what I mean. You have changed the angle, wow. Upgradation. I did some upgrades. And I see you guys are seeing the light from my TV in the corner of the YouTube. Damn. At least on TikTok it's nice. It's vertical, not horizontal. Yeah. Okay. Do you think BTC price will come down before halving? Yes, I do. Is this good time to invest? This is a very vague question. You need to be more clear. Make the question. I'm not the guy who tells you it is a shopping season every time market drops and they start screaming it's a shopping season, buy the dip, you know. None of that bullshit happens here. So I'm not going to make you hold a project for 5 years and give you hope that it's going to work out. We always get in, make money and get out. And we do it on daily basis. Like I said yesterday, we had like, I don't know, 5-6 trades. All of them did 100%. If you average it out, 5-6 trades, even if you do it on $100 investment, 5-6 trades, that's like $500 on a day. That's a lot if you invest 100. Of course, some people go big. Okay, RS says, I went to Scotland for a few days. Damn, I hate you, man. Scotland is one of my favorite countries. It is one of my favorite. But I was seeing Telegram every few hours. Okay, at least you were in the Telegram. Yesterday I saw someone from 2021 in Telegram. It brought back so many memories. Good morning from Sydney. It is 4 a.m. here. Good to see you, Patricia. And I love Sydney. I had so many people with me from Australia in 2021. But then, of course, I left Facebook and I came to TikTok now. Now I don't know how many Australians I have. ADA, okay, this is the same question. What should I be buying right now? Everything is good, brother. If you just know when to enter and when to leave. YouTubers, if you hear the sound, you know it's the cat. And there you go. He's screaming on top of it. TikTokers, you can see this. My cat is annoyed. I don't leave him outside, so he's angry. He's taking his frustration out on the wheel. Any BTC update? I just did. If you missed it, you can watch it on YouTube. It is getting recorded on YouTube as well. Okay, what should I buy in bearish periods? Buy anything. I mean, everything goes up. As long as the project has no problem, you can buy a good project. It depends on your risk appetite. If you have a high risk nature, you can buy projects that are $100 million market cap and you will do 10x, 20x with it. Of course, it is not that simple, but if I become a TikToker and start giving you targets, it is more achievable with those coins than buying something that is in multi-billion dollar market cap and expect it to do 2-3x. So keeping that in mind, you can play it, because I assume that you have zero interest in learning. You just want a name, you want to go invest, and that's it. And of course, after that, the hell period starts, because you will be stuck with that coin forever. Thank you, RS. And you will be in a marriage that will be really, really bad. And after that, you will start studying that project and you will realize, where did things go wrong? Thank you, RS. Hi, how are you? Kindly tell Solana coin how much dump. Its support is at $25. I already told you guys that it will correct. I already told you guys there is a Solana event on Monday. I already shared that in yesterday's video, that this might be the situation of buy the rumor and sell the news. So I shared everything. So you can see if it's a situation like this, a coin travels towards its support instead of its resistance. Why is he so angry? I should be the angry one. Thank you, RS. What is this? Is it some kind of collar? Evening, my bro. Yes, Rue, definitely. I know you are in UK. Chiro? Chivshu? Huh? Spire. He's angry for no reason. I mean, I'm tired of buying treats, wet food, dry food, puzzle eaters. I have 2 cat trees. My home looks like a cat home, and he's still upset. Hey mate, when BTC goes down, do you think? Oh, okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Look, there is a camera. Okay, I'll tap him while I talk to you guys. This is what he loves. Okay. Hey mate, when BTC goes down, do you have a region? Would it be? Yeah, it's $32,000. If 32,000 holds, the last region is of course 29,500. But let's hope it doesn't happen. Oh my God, cat looking so cute. Yeah, he is an adorable one. He wins hearts. He's like a dog. He's not a cat. He loves everyone. He's not scared of humans, and he's very friendly. And of course, all my cats are from the street of Afghanistan. Market makers do know the prices prediction by analysts, so shouldn't they do the opposite to liquidate? Yes, Bobby, that's your name. They will do it, but they don't do it every time. What they do is that they do it once in a while, because they have they need bigger targets, right? So they want to enjoy bigger liquidations. So they don't happen on daily basis. So what we do is that we get into the market, on daily basis. We win every day, right? And then one day the market makers, they come and they screw us, which is okay. So me, if I lose 30% of the time and I win 70% of the time, I will be still a lot profitable, because I have shown you a video where I took a case scenario where you are profitable only 50% and not profitable 50% of the times. You are still very profitable. In that video, we saw that when we were using leverage, when we were not profitable 50% of the time, we lost $10,000. But when we were profitable 50% of the time, we made $30,000, and we were still profitable by $20,000. So the thing is that you can still stay profitable. That's why you use stop loss. Market makers can come and, destroy you, but you have a stop loss, it will hit, you'll get the hell out of it. You're not someone who is holding the coin and praying, oh God, please save it. Nothing like that. You're talking in Pashto with cats? Yes. I talk in my native language with the cats. I have taught them my native language. I mean, when I'm angry with my cat, I say, Chishede, and he understands, Chishede means, what is it? He understands I'm angry. Okay. So, Ru says, thank you, Bhaktin. Your cone always arrives. Don't say my name. I will have the XRP army hunting me down. Okay, I'll call you Ru. When you text me, say I asked you to touch your ear so I know it's you. I will not text you. I will never text you. Why will I text you, brother? Why will I bother someone? ADS best price prediction. Okay, I've said this. What do you think about TRB? Thank you, Ron. Ru gave me a count like Bhaktin. Okay, about TRB. What exactly about TRB? I had a coin requested. I forgot. Sorry. What was it? It was Harvest Farm. Yeah. So sorry, the Harvest Farm person. I kept you waiting. Okay. So this is in a reverse triangle, which means it looks like this. Okay. You guys saw the triangle which was like this, and I told you it will break up. When it's a triangle like this, it breaks down. So Harvest is right now sitting at 25.11. From here, you should expect it to go down. The first landing point is $24, and after that, you should expect it to continue towards 22. Of course, things can change. The market is bullish, but this is based on TA. The TA says that it needs to go down. So I am saying this just on the basis of TA. That is Harvest Farm for you. Okay, TRB. Someone requested TRB. This is one of the most volatile coins out there. I see someone in my community longing it and being happy, and then another one who is shorting it and they are happy. I think the volatility is keeping everyone happy. TRB, I'm doing it, don't worry. BTC pull back in the next few days. Oh, it is doing it already. You need to understand that the market needs to stay bullish for 2 months, right? So few days have passed, maybe a week, I don't know. Thank you, Adrian. Did you change your spellings? So as the market needs to stay bullish for 2 months, you need to understand that it needs to do a lot of drama, a lot of corrections, a lot of pumps, and a lot of dips and dumps. It will do this, but overall it will give people hopes, a lot of hopes and a lot of energy. And it will not be a case scenario where people will think that, it's over. It will get over. The case scenario where BTC will be dumping towards $22,000, but that will happen later. Don't look at that case scenario right now. Can you talk about Matic? Yes, after TIB, I can. Just remind me, please. Bless you on the sneeze. Thank you, Ru. I'm so sorry for the sneezes. It's just that I don't know how to mute this thing. Good evening from London. Which London? The fake London that we have here in Canada, or the real one? If it's real, good morning. Oh, good evening. Oh, okay, you are in the real London. Sorry, so stupid of me. You are saying good evening, it means you are in the real London. Okay. Good evening, good evening, good evening. What the hell? He's sharing news. Just in, US Senator Cynthia Lummis asked the Department of Justice to criminally charge Binance and Tether. And I'm stuck here on live for the next 30 minutes. I cannot make a video. Now what do I do? What do I do? Eesh. Okay. Tether will get affected. USDT, it is long due. but it will survive. But Binance, yeah. Binance, my God. Once you get into a lawsuit, you're stuck. This is funny. Anyway, bad news came in. Enjoy, guys. And okay, Michael says, please Matic support and resistance. Good evening. Definitely, Michael. At least on YouTube it doesn't disappear quickly. So yes, why not? I'll do that after TRB. Good evening, Shah. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Murad Tari says, Assalamu alaikum. Assalam. If big crash starts, the worst case scenario for BTC, in your opinion, if you're talking about big crash, I assume you're talking about financial crisis, and you are looking at $8,000 to $9,000 of BTC. You're seeing really exciting times when people would be, those who have authority, they will be taking loans from the banks, those banks who can still offer loans, and those who can still take loans. That will not be the time for retail investors. All retail investors will be fighting for their mortgages, which is a Western problem. I got to know it only after coming here, that what is a mortgage issue, because a country like Afghanistan that doesn't have a credit system, we don't have credit scores, we don't have a concept of credit, we don't sit on your throat and make your life hell. So we don't have this cycle of debt, where you're stuck and you cannot get out of it. So in Afghanistan, if you are buying something, you can actually afford it. It's not a situation where they let you buy everything just because banks want to put loan on you, right? So in Afghanistan, if you own something, you have purchased that in cash, or friends and family have come together to support you. So two things that they support a lot. One is marriage, one is buying home. So if you tell someone in the friend circle that you're getting married, everyone would chip in. If you tell your friend circle that you are buying a home, everyone will support you. For the rest of the stuff, they don't give you loans that easily. But these are the two things that are considered to be something that as a society we see that we need to support. I've heard Latin Americans, they do it as well. I've not been to Latin America. I know that Africans are very culturally strong people. They're tribal as well, like us. So they might be doing it too. Yeah, so the big crash, when it starts, every retail investor will be dealing with the problems of mortgage of home, car, student loans, which is another thing that unfortunately exists on this part of the world. And yeah, they will be freaking out. They will be only selling and not buying. And then people like Michael Saylor and other people, they will be getting in and they will be buying. 6K, the producer, the homie Shah. Good to see you. Let me put request for Matic and let me do TRB now. Okay. This scam pumped from $8 to 118 in 1 month. Okay, he's not so happy about it. That is one thing for sure. I don't know what is TRB doing. What is this project about? I never checked. Let me see if he knows. Do you know what TRB does? If not, ignore it. Let him do Matic. Okay, so let me do the local support and resistance for you, because this TRB has a structure that is not reliable, because if something has pumped from $8 to 118 in a month, that is pretty much a candle like this. If you see a structure like this, that generally forms Burj Khalifa patterns, which means it goes like this and it comes down like this. But in case of TRB, we don't know, but we will see. We will see. So right now, it is sitting very close to its resistance of 118.6. It's sitting at 116.6. Wow. and its support is at $97. As long as $97 holds, you should expect TRB to stay bullish and pump further, considering the whole market. And I guess there is something going on with TRB and the community. Everyone is buying it. So keeping all that in mind, you should expect that TRB will correct right now towards its support before it rallies. So that is TRB for you. Okay, so Matic, as updated before, we have done this 2 days before. Okay, so as we informed you about Matic 2 days before that it is going to drop, it is dropping, and I guess this was the picture that we shared. This was the kind of the pattern. So we are expecting Matic to go towards its support instead of its resistance. And its support is at 0.577. So you should be expecting Matic going there. Right now it is sitting at 62.5. And its resistance is at all the way up now at 66.5. So it is kind of in the middle, not really in the middle. But yeah, you should expect Matic going down. And after reaching support, I think it will start pumping. But Matic is a good project, nothing to worry, to be honest with you. What are they saying in YouTube? They're saying, could you do XMR, please? I have purchased it from its support at 138, but not the resistance. I have purchased it from its support 138. Okay, XMR, we can do XMR. Let me go back to TikTok. So crash, I have explained. Okay, we did talk about crash. E17 on. Hello, how are you doing? How is your cat? I'm doing well. My cat is fantastic as well. He has recovered almost, but he needs 3 months for his ribs to recover. But 1 month has passed, so he's all good. Thank you for asking, and thank you for being here. Romy says XRP update. So XRP update is pretty much the same. It did achieve pretty much the targets that I had shared yesterday. Let me go back. I did post a video too. Yeah, it did. So I had a target, I think, till 57.5, and it missed one target. But its support is at 52 cents. As long as 52 cents holds, you should expect XRP to continue with the rally. You should not expect XRP to break below 52 cents and go down. You should expect XRP that 52 cents will hold. Of course, when it is correcting, it will correct towards 52 cents, but that does not mean that it will break it. The market wants to stay bullish. Same is the case scenario with XRP. Everyone wants XRP to stay bullish as well. So considering all that in mind, I think what we will be seeing is that we will be seeing XRP rallying towards 60 cents, which is the first target I have, and then I have an extended target for XRP, which is 63 cents. So yesterday, yeah, okay, so it didn't even achieve the 57 cents. So I had 56.5, it did that. 57 cents, it went to 56.95. I missed it by 5 number. I don't know what part of cent is that, because 56 is a cent itself. Anyway, so almost 57 cents, and I had another target of 57.5. It didn't achieve the third one. It achieved 2, and then it came down all the way, tumbling by 5% drop. It came down towards 54 cents. But yeah, as long as it's above 52, it is bullish. I'm new to start shitcoins. I need some guidance. I have seen your video. However, it's not much. You have seen my video. Which video? Have you seen my course? All of the course, and you're saying it's not enough? Or you're saying you have seen one video and you're thinking that it's not enough? Can you please elaborate? Okay. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Patricia. 5 Sales says, speak to the cat again. Want to hear the cat meow. So cute. I'm so sorry, I just saw this in so many messages. How about Quant? I can do Quant for you. I think I have a XMR here first. Now let me put a request for Quant. So XMR, okay. I think you have purchased it at support at 138, okay. So your entry is pretty nice. And your first indication that it will go towards your entry would be that if it breaks below 154. $154 would be first indication that it is going to go towards your purchase price. So that is something that you need to keep in mind. If you are looking for a top on XMR, that is $164. 164 is the max that we see right now for this rally. So if you are trying to exit, whenever you see XMR getting close to that, maybe that would be the time you should consider getting out of it. QNT, okay, I think I did say that it needs to break out of his channel, or I said that it has broken out of his channel. I don't remember exactly, but I do remember sharing this channel. Let me show it to you guys. So this is the channel of QNT, and I told you the guys that the moment it breaks out of it, that would pretty much confirm that it has turned bullish, which it did. It has confirmed. Now from here you should expect QNT to pump further. Of course it is sitting here, I think, right now. Yeah, so the targets for QNT, if you want to have, if you want to eye them, it's 115, and of course it can stretch a bit further towards 120. The support that it needs to hold for QNT to continue with this rally is $99. As long as 99 holds, QNT stays bullish. Okay, ADA is done. What happens on November 19? I don't know. Is there any event that is coming up on November 19 that I'm not aware of? I don't see something. Did you hear anything on November 18? I didn't hear. Let me ask. Oh, not 18, sorry, 19. 19. 10th November is my birthday. That is one thing I know. Me and Shah Rukh Khan, we have our birthdays in November. They're very close. But okay, if big crash starts, the worst case scenario for BTC, I have mentioned that. CASPA prediction. Alex is requesting CASPA. Let's do CASPA. Okay, and what is all? That's all the gifts that everyone has sent. Oh, it's not Adrian. It's Adrenaline Junkie. Okay, sorry. I thought, because your full name didn't appear, I thought it's Adrian. Anand says, you look more gray today, Shah. Yeah, I look more gray because I've turned on the lights. Because it's very dark in the back, if you can see. It's because there is no sun outside. It's going to get more gray because it's winter. So let me show you guys what is going on at my end. You can see this is one light, okay, and this is second light. You see this one, and this, where the hell did it go? Oh, this is the third light. So I have one, and this is two, and this is three. I have three lights falling down on my face. I turned it on because if I turn on that thing, YouTubers cannot see it. Oh, YouTubers can see it as well. Okay, for YouTubers, this is for TikTokers. because you guys are seeing it differently. For YouTubers, it is here, but for TikTokers, it is here. Very strange. That is strange. If I turn that on, it wouldn't help. It says, thank you, no problem. I'm planning to short from the top and then rebuy at the bottom. That's awesome. Or you can open that arbitrage system. I forgot its name, where you can long and short at the same time. I forgot its name. Okay, that is gray. What do you think about Quant? Quant I just did. Cat sounds very happy. Oh yeah, but he complains a lot. He complains a lot. He wants me to leave everything and only be with him. What's that with Binance? Should I get my XRP out of Binance or no? Binance is all good. It's just news. If Binance is hit, the volatility will be large. If Binance dies, it will be 5 times bigger than Luna and FTX. I'm good too. Thanks for asking. No problem at all. Canadian tax on crypto is 50%. That's ridiculous. Yeah, but I'm not paying any, so I'm all good. In Kenya, they are now freezing accounts for crypto, bro. Why do you do it in a legal way? That's the whole point of doing things legally. I'm curious, who was your mentor? For shitcoins, I never had a mentor. I had to learn it on my own. For fundamentals, I was my own mentor. For volume, there was this guy, his name is James. He's a guy who taught me volume trading, and that was after I lost, I think, $30,000 or so, something like that, $32,000 while practicing on future trading. I tried, and then I was facing trouble because one thing I always hated about TA are these lines, the lines that are drawn without any sense to it. And I was looking for something that would make sense. I hate TA when it is just based on patterns and drawings, which doesn't mean anything. So when I found this guy who knew he knew volume trading, he was charging heavily. I paid for his mentorship. He taught me volume trading, and I had to actually request. So he takes big trades. He trades with $1 million and his trading style, it was really, really good. I really liked what he was doing. Another sensible methodology is it's not factual, it's not based on data, but it makes sense, is Elliott waves. Elliott waves, it forms waves, it makes sense, but the problem with Elliott waves is that it only works when there is either an uptrend or a downtrend. And we have seen that crypto is not in a trend it's in a trend for a year or two, and then it's not in a trend for 3 years. What the hell will you do for those 3 years? So I didn't go for Elliott waves just because of that. Plus Elliott waves, it takes 5 to 7 years of practice to learn Elliott waves. If you are a programmer, you would know it's like PHP. You cannot learn PHP and expect that you learn PHP. So I'm not a programmer, but I know PHP stuff. What was this? CASPA. Okay, we didn't hear anything about November 19. So CASPA is here. Okay, so CASPA is in a rising channel, and which means that CASPA can fall down. When you have a rising channel, it means it's going to break down instead of breaking up. And right now, if we talk about the local case scenario, I'm so sorry, because it is on daily chart, daily time frame. Its resistance is at 0.0518, and you should expect it to correct towards 0.044. And its support is at 0.041. So the correction that you would see in CASPA would be almost towards 0.044, but afterwards you should expect it to pump towards its resistance or even break its resistance. But the top part of the channel, as it's a rising channel, the top part will continue to increase. Yeah, let's not talk about that. But keep your eyes peeled on the support. The moment the support breaks, it means that this channel is over. I'll show you the channel, how it looks like. Just a second. This is the rising channel for CASPA. And what is this? This thing is called wedge. I forgot its name. I think wedge is parallel lines. What is this thing then? I forgot its name. Anyway, it is in the rising channel. Rising channels generally break down. So CASPA is done. Why CZ is stepping down? Osama, as I said, that is a rumor. It's a very low quality rumor that is in the market, and today we saw this news. So maybe that rumor would turn out to be true, but we are not so sure. So I don't know if we can rely on that rumor. But there is this rumor, unreliable rumor, that CZ is thinking of stepping down. Anna says, if BTC hits 22K, will you shave your beard? Oh, I will shave it for you tomorrow. I am not that much bothered. Don't worry about that part. What are your thoughts on Gala? Fundamentally, it's messed up. But if you want me to analyze, I can do that. Okay. 9 minutes to go. 9 minutes to go. Osama says, Web AI shitcoin will hit 1 million. I don't know. It is trying to hold strong. But stay in their Telegram and you will know what will happen. Unskilled channel says, has the bull run market started? Love the content. You are the only one that keep it realistic. Thank you. Yes, bull run started after it broke above $22,000. So since then it is a bull run, and bull run takes 2-3 years generally too. So you should expect this to continue. This year stayed in the bull run form. Next year will be one more year, and then I think it will be pretty much over. But of course, in people's mind, next year is the first year, and then 2025 is the second year, which I don't think is the case. Any thoughts on power? Aave, okay, Aave is here. Wow, that was quick. Hello, Brother Shah, how are you? Why some of your hair looks white? Can you please check KAVA? Okay, KAVA we can do. Why is my hair white? Because I have white hair. I'm 33 and my hair is white. You see? If you want, I can color it for you. That's not an issue. I bought color after someone complained. For the first time, I think I colored my hair on my own. Okay, Aave. So Aave is in the middle of its support and resistance. Its support is at 69.7, so $70. It's sitting at 79, and its resistance is at $87. So Aave is pretty much in a no trade zone, in a sense that if you are not taking a position, it is not the time to take a position. But if you want to, but you cannot long and short from here. If you already have taken a decision, then you know where your resistance and support is. So 86.5 is your resistance, and support is at $70. It's sitting at 79. That is Aave. Okay, CASPA. I did CASPA. Can you please tell me what type of phone you use? So for this one, I use Note 10 Plus. This is what my ex-wife gave me for my birthday. And she gave it to me when I turned 30. I was not so happy. So she gave me this phone. This one is on YouTube. I'm using the phone that is called Z Fold 5. It came out a few months ago. And for TikTok, I'm using Z Fold 3. I bought this one last year, I think. Yeah, so 2 Z Folds and 1 Note 10. And all of them have their pens because I like to write. I like to work. I don't like to use screens. I have multi-screens. I have a setup, but I'm not that kind of a guy, that would use screens. I don't think you need screens that much to do things unless you are on TradingView and analyzing things. Then yes, because it's bigger. Otherwise, I do pretty much a lot of stuff from my mobile phone. I like what I can do from phone. Okay, KAVA. Okay, let's do KAVA. This is 4 hourly chart. So your support is at 0.60. It's sitting at 62.7. And its resistance is at 65. So 65 cents. This is kind of a middle situation as well. And whatever is in the middle, that is pretty much not tradable unless you are already in the position. So this is KAVA for you. This is where it is. This is the support. This is the resistance. Okay. Did YouTubers say something? WebAI is similar to Artrium coin that released, but is looking better than that. Unskilled channel says, do you expect XRP to spike after the December settlement? Of course, if there is a settlement, it will spike. XRP always pumps on news. The only thing that can pump XRP is news. Right now it is pumping without news, fortunately, but generally speaking, XRP is a news coin. One video only. Should I buy that course? Then we'll be fine. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that one video is just an introduction. The rest of the stuff is, of course, inside. Will Polkadot go up? Yes, why not? Shah, I think your cat is a conspiracy. I never see them on furniture. Where is he? He's okay. I can actually take out my what this phone is, TikTok phone, and show you guys where he is. Let me show it to you. You guys are making claims. YouTubers meet TikTokers. Let me TikTokers show the cat. Okay, can you see him? He's that orange thing over there. I hope you can see him. I don't know, what do you guys see? Oh yes, you guys can see him. Yes, there is he. That is him. He damages the house and then he lays there on the floor. What did YouTubers see? Did you guys see me in the underwear? No, you cannot see it. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, so thank you, Bhaktin. Let me fix this. Okay, let's go down. So, Dew's horse conspiracy settled. The claim has been dealt with. Osama says, you sitting in underwear? Yes, so you saw it. Okay, it's not bad color. It is nice enough. I walk around in my underwear in corridor as well. I mean, why should men not do things? If others can do it, so should I. OnlyFans. No, not OnlyFans. You should come here and see people. They wear jacket and they wear underwear below. And I want to stand up for the sake of men. And I want to be out in underwear as well. Why should men have not fun? I'm just kidding. I'm just lazy. I don't like pants. I don't even wear warm pants in winter, even if it's -50. I don't know why. I'm hotter below belly for some reason. Okay, how much amount will be better to start initially for shitcoin? Start with $5, $10, $8. Happy birthday in advance. Thank you. Is XRP army brainwashed? Don't ask me such questions. I will use the remaining few followers I have. They already hate me. They stopped watching my videos. They don't come to my lives anymore. They think I hate XRP. I took a lot of pictures. I'm going to actually make a video on it from 2021, as I was a big supporter of XRP. So people think that I hate XRP. That is not the case. there's a difference between being a supporter and being stupid. Both starts with S. So they're brainwashed, yes, I would say. Any news on Zapex? You should join their Telegram, I think. They have news there all the time. Can you give your opinion on ICP? I wish I could. I have run out of time. I'll just do question and answers and then I'll get the hell out of here. Your present and future will be bright too. Gala coin, okay. Okay, long and short at the same time. I saw Gala coin update. Sorry, I cannot do that. They complain because they know you love them. Okay. Has the bull market started? Yes. From $22,000 up is a bull market. You're the only one that keeps it realistic. Keep it going. Thank you so much, Brett. I can't afford your mentorship. It's okay. I do it on-one. I give 100% attention to a person. So you understand, if I'm spending 6 months with you, every week I have to do a call with you and it's not a class, it's just me and you. It takes away a lot of time. And that's why when a lot of people bought it at 2,000, I think 6 people purchased it at $2,000. I increased it to $5,000 because I want it to slow down. So it's more value for money for me because I'm investing my time. Now it's at $5,000, the mentorship. Once I see that a lot of people have moved into 5, I'll move it to $10,000 because I need to have a bit of my own life. Right now, my life is pretty much stuck in the calendar. At least the weekends are gone. I have 4 mentorship sessions on weekends, 2 on Saturday, 2 on Sunday, and 2 others are in the weekdays. So it makes it very challenging for me to accommodate everything. And then what happens is that to slow things down, the only thing is there are 2 solutions that are there. One is to introduce a course, which I'm working on. And the second is to make mentorship expensive. So I could still mentor, but at least I am not married to so many people. Unless I create a class and put everyone together. That's a whole different case scenario. Okay, encourage more viewers. Thank you for sharing the live. What are your thoughts on Shiba Inu? It's a meme coin. It's a pump and dump. Look at Pepe, Floki. All of them are same. Okay, now I have to really go. Don't color your hair. Don't color your hair. Your hair is beautiful. Thank you, Davis. Okay, I will not. Okay. Oh, it looks like cats renting you. Yes, they are. Thank you for your videos. No problem. Oh my God, you should send your cats hitting business scene. Can we look at Veracity? Sorry, tomorrow. I come at live at 1 p.m. Toronto time. Your thoughts on Swiss cheese token? I have no idea. Let me go through it down fast. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining. It was a pleasure to have you. Now 1 hour is over. I have to go. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 1 p.m. Toronto time. And of course, I post videos, 5 videos a day. XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and Cardano. Thank you, Ru. Take care. Bye-bye. Now I'll get out.